Offline Software Installation Tutorial. This is the installation kit for the DA53TX offline programming software. The kit contains the following items. The first item is the installation step description. The installation process consists of steps 1, 2, and 3. The second item includes a USB flash drive. The USB drive usually contains a backup of the machine system parameters. Please keep it in a safe place. The USB drive can also be used to copy the offline software. The third item is the registration code for the offline software. This code will be used to activate the software. This is the supporting device for the offline programming software. Each system is supplied with this device. Insert the USB drive into the system. Click Machine. Click System Information. Click Offline Software. Copy the offline software to the USB drive. The copy is complete. Insert the USB drive containing the offline software into the computer. Open the USB drive. Open the offline software folder. Click the installer. Start the installation. Select the installation location. Next, the software installation will begin. The installation may take some time and requires an internet connection. After the installation is complete, open the offline software. Enter the registration code. Once activated successfully, the offline programming software is ready to use.